Hello, guys. This is Daily Trends here on Pinax News. You hub for quality entertainment. This is where you get the latest update from the world of art and entertainment. So, yes, you may want to stick and stay for more gist and news here on our platform. Now, remember that we brought you some news, within the Tiger Woods and his estranged girlfriend, Erica Herman. Yes, the drama that has been unfolding. Apparently, Herman says that she is actually tired upon some NDA, the golf legend that's Tiger Woods forced her to sign. The NDA simply means a non-disclosure, agreement they both signed during their relationship. And she says she's tired and she's citing a lot of, allegations within, their relationship. Now, apparently, until one is able to actually nullify the NDA, that's the non-disclosure agreement, there should be some important reasons as to why one would want to extricate him or herself from that relationship. And on that basis, I mean, it may be on the basis of maybe rape issue or assault or domestic violence or something like that. And so allegedly, Erica Herman is trying to paint the picture that, well, even within their or during the relationship, she was battling such from Tiger Woods. Now, Tiger Woods, as we all know, isn't new to all these scandals when it has to do with sexual abuse or relationship, wahala, if I'm supposed to put it that way, in his relationship. I mean, in 2009, I'll actually break it down for you to understand. In 2009 he suffered similar, and then in another drama with a nightclub manager, then in 2010 we heard that he's gone for a rehab. Then months later he was occurred seen in another drama that unfolded surrounding him. Now, upon all these hullabaloo that's been hovering around the golf legend, Erica, his estranged girlfriend. Now, Erica apparently is suing Tiger Woods for 30 million US dollars. Yes, you heard me right, $30 million. Looks like Tiger Woods, may be suffering another huge scandal. Well, wait for it. That's not it. His lawyers, Tiger Woods' lawyers, has actually come out to give a very interesting details as to all these drama that's been unfolding. So allegedly, Erica says that during their relationship, Tiger made her sign some documents, that's the NDA, suggesting that anything that happens within their relationship is not, um, prone to the public or brought outside to the public because they've signed an NDA, written NDA. Yes, that's like a law or a contract that one or two persons in a relationship sign to actually not disclose their private matters, especially within their relationship. And so that's what Erica is saying that Tiger Woods made her sign. Now it turns out that his lawyers, I mean Tiger Woods' lawyers, have actually brought out a statement debunking these alleged, NDA whole drama about Erica saying that Tiger Woods has actually made. Has signed some NDA and all of that. And so we're actually going, let me actually read what his lawyers posted. And so this is what they said. Now it reads: during their relationship, Mr. Woods invited Miss Herman to live with him as his guest in his residence, the motion said. So Mr. Woods never negotiated an oral tenancy agreement with Miss Herman, nor was there ever a written tenancy agreement between Mr. Woods or the trust on the one hand and Miss Herman on the other hand. Mr. Woods never transferred to Miss Herman any ownership interest in or right or possession to the residence. Yes, so I'll take it again, then I'll break it down for you to understand. So it reads again: during their relationship, Mr. Woods invited Miss Herman to live with him as his guest in the residence, the motion said. Mr. Woods never negotiated an oral tenancy agreement with Miss Herman, nor was there any written tenancy agreement between Mr. Woods or the trust on the one hand, and Miss Herman, on the other hand, Mr. Woods never transferred to Miss Herman any ownership interest in or right of possession to the residence. So during this whole lawsuit where Erica filed for a motion that the NDA be nullified, and she gets some kind of compensation as to the reasons why Tiger was actually allegedly sacked her from the house. Yes, well, apparently Erica is saying that even though she's fed up and all of that, Tiger Woods actually drove her out from their house, even though there was an agreement that some shares be given to her if there be a case of any, unfortunate, separation between them. Now, according to these lawyers, I mean Tiger Woods' lawyers, there was no such written agreement. Nothing like that. And so they are saying that Tiger Woods actually invited Miss Herman to live with him as his guest. Yes, and so this is a very interesting development that's actually hovering around the internet, and is actually so all this while Miss Erica, or Erica Herman, was living with Tiger Woods as a guest. So that's the question people are asking. I mean, this is a very interesting topic, and it is getting internet, ablaze, especially when it has to do with controversial golf player, Tiger Woods. I mean, Tiger Woods is not known; he's known, I beg your pardon, for such controversies, but this one looks very scary. Anyways, let's get on to social media and see what you have been saying on this particular topic. So Patty Granny says they were not married. She was with him as a girlfriend. He owes her nothing. She should be happy. She had the time she had. Her now coming out against him shows me how true colors a woman scorned. Okay, good thing he didn't marry her. He would have been in trouble with her, seems like. Okay. Billy Walker says if he was thinking of marriage and that is what started these issues, she's not that smart. If you draw up a prenup, he would have offered something in it. If you are marrying for love, you should be worrying about that. Tiger is mad to protect his money. There's a lot more to this story than what we know. Definitely, there's much more to this than we know. This one is coming from Cindy. Cindy says there's a big surprise that Tiger's sport won't change. Drama there for Tiger L all the time. Elizabeth says, tired of hearing about women who date men with money and fame. When a breakup happens, they feel entitled to their money. I guess prenuptial, I feel prenuptial when you meet someone before getting serious, really. This one says, Cherry, it's from Cherry, says, Tiger needs to leave women alone. He's not successful in that part of life. Well, you can't blame Tiger. He loves women, and you can't blame him for loving women. So yes, that's the latest we're getting from the camp of Tiger Woods. His lawyers are saying that Erica Hernan was never, contracted or signed, written any agreement by Tiger Woods. This is a developing story, and it's getting very interesting. We'll get our eyes glued to this story. This is Daily Trends here on Pinax News. I am Eric Melo, and thanks for watching.